There are many inspection apps on the market, but they merely offer a glorified checklist with no asset information. Manual paper-based inspections are inefficient, time-consuming and often lack detail and clarity. PDS Inspect solves all of these issues and can be used for either unplanned or planned task-driven inspections.
Go paperless on your site with PDS Inspect, the practical digital solution to managing inspection records. PDS Inspect provides a robust digital platform for capturing fault history against assets over time, enabling detailed reporting on plant condition and outstanding maintenance requirements. Use PDS Inspect to define, digitally capture and complete your routine maintenance tasks. It allows inspection records to be visible in real time, with a full history of inspection records for each asset. Easily accessible reporting enables users to quickly see the condition of their assets, as well as the current inspection status according to priority. PDS Inspect provides a quick snapshot of critical problems requiring attention, and for inspections that require a measurement, machine health is trended based on condition, allowing proactive planning of scheduled repair or replacement.
If you need a simple, reliable way to accurately manage maintenance inspections on your site, you need to get PDS Inspect working for you.